How to upgrade your visuals. Welcome to Infobar's Pack. All you need is in one bundle. Over 1,500 exclusive assets carefully crafted just for you. Infographics. Countdown timers. Titles. Shape elements. Social media. And many more. Create high-quality projects in just a few clicks. No graphic skills needed. Combine the elements as you like. Save time and effort in making animation. Make your videos extra special. All the presets are fully customizable, and you can edit them at any moment. Join the next generation of creators. Get started now.